Good morning, dear students, and good morning to the teachers also who are present in the class. And welcome to the virtual studio, Sundargarh. I am Jyoti Prabha Nahak, Assistant Teacher of Government High School, Tampakala. So, my dear children, as you know, today we are going to deal with the second part of the story, The Lost Child. And before this class, you have already taught the first part of the story, right? So today we will discuss the second part of the story, The Lost Child. So without any further go, let's get started. Hey children, you can see the slide that today we will read the second part of the topic, The Lost Child, and it is written by Mulk Raj Anand, right? The writer of the story is Mulk Raj Anand, and before that you have already learned the first part of the story. So let's recapitulate what is in the first part, what was in the first part of the story, okay? So, as you know, in the first part, there was a fair, there was a festival that is called Spring Festival. ଗୋଟେ Spring Festival होची, जोथिरे की ଗୋଟେ fair मेला बसिची, and many people, different peoples were going to the fair at the same time. A family which consists of mother, father, and a child. Okay, they were also going to the fair, and while they were on the way to the fair, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ fair मेला बुलिବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, on the way the child was attracted. So the child was attracted by a toy shop, ଗୋଟେ ଖେଳଣା ଦୋକାନ ଦେଖିଛି, ଆଉ ସେଠି ଦେଖିଥିବା ଖେଳଣା ସବୁ ଦେଖିକି he was so fascinated, he was attracted, and he made a request to his father. ସେ ତା ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଛି for a toy, but his father, who was a tyrant person, जे कि ଟିକେ ନିଷ୍ଠୁର cruel ଅଟନ୍ତି, he denied. He didn't buy any toy for the child, but at the same time her mother tried to console the child. ତାଙ୍କ ଛୁଆକୁ child କୁ ବୁଝେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ମା, and she showed the boy some mustard field, some butterflies, some dragons, and some worms. Okay, କିଛି ସେ ଛୁଆର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କୁ ସେ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ତାକୁ ସୋରିଷ କ୍ଷେତ, butterfly, ପ୍ରଜାପତି, dragons, କଙ୍କି ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ କହୁ, ସେ ସବୁ ସେ ଦେଖେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ଛୁଆର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କୁ ଟିକେ ଡାଇଭର୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି, and they were on the way to the fair. fair ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ପୁଣି ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିଛନ୍ତି. This was in the first part of the story. Okay, and now we will continue the second part of the story. What is in the second part of the story, right? Second part of the story, I'm going to read the story aloud, and you will follow the book. Open your book, page number 111, and look at your book very carefully. Okay, so the chapter starts, the part starts. He went towards the basket, but the flowers lay heaped. As they neared the village, the child could see footpaths full of people. He felt at both repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. A sweetmeat seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance. The child stayed open-eyed, and his mouth watered for the barfi that was his favorite sweet. I want that barfi, he slowly murmured, but he half knew, as he begged, that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. A flower seller hugged a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child murmured, I want that garland, but he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons flying from it. Seeing the colorful pole, the child desired to possess them all. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he worked on further. A snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket, its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer fled, he proceeded further. There was a round bout in full swing. Men, women, and children carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. So, dear children, today we will cover this portion of the chapter. And now, let's know some unfamiliar or some difficult words. So, the first word is hip. Hip means a large mount. Here, hip means a large mount. बहु परिमाण रे गदा हवा कौन सी जिनस जेतले बहुत परिमाण रे पहाड़ परि गदा हेइ थाए, we can call hip. Repel. Repel make someone feel horror. भयभीत हवा कौन सी जिनस को देखि भयभीत हवा, that is repel. Fascinate. Fascinate the state of being attracted. आकर्षित हवा कौन सी जिनस प्रति आकर्षित हवा, that is fascinated. Write down the meanings, okay, so that you will be able to understand the text better. जदि अर्थ तमे जानि परिबो तबे चैप्टर को बेसी भल भाबरे बुझी परिबो. So try to write down the meaning of the words. Then comes confusion. Confusion, unable to think clearly. द्वंद्व कौन सी जगह क्लियर नथिबा, that is confusion. Hugged. Hugged, to try to share things by going from place to place. बुली बुली की डाकी डाकी की बिक्री करवा, that is hugged. Stare. S-T-A-R-E, stare. Stare means looked fixedly. एक लयर कौन सी जिनस को एक लयर चाहि रहिबा, hugged. Sorry, stare. Then mouth watered. Mouth watered, looking or smelling delicious. इछि जदि हमें कौन सी खाद्य स्पेशली देखुचे जोटा कि बहुत सुंदर देखा जाउथिबो, जार वासना बहुत भलो थिबो, तो ऑटोमेटिक हम पाटी रो पानी बाहरी जाए. That is called mouth water. पाटी रो पानी बाहरिबो. Next, बर्फी. Look at the picture of बर्फी. बर्फी is a kind of sweet, गोटे प्रकार मीठा, right? Favorite. Favorite, preferred to all others of the same kind. समान प्रकार जिनस थिबो किंतु से भीतर जोटा हमको बेसी भल लागुथिबो, that is favorite. किंबा हम ताको कहि परिबा प्रिय. Murmur. Murmur, say something quietly, बहुत slowly किछि कहबा, गुणु गुणु हे कि कहबा, that is murmur. Plea. P-L-E-A. Plea. Plea means an emotional request. कातर होई अनुरोध करबा. अनुरोध करूचे जेतेबेले हमें emotionally, when we request a thing emotionally to a person, then at that moment we can use the word plea. कातर होई अनुरोध करबा. Heed. Heed means pay attention, कोनोसे जिंस को ध्यान देबा. Heed. Then greedy. Greedy means excessive desire, especially for food and wealth. जदि आमर खाद्य प्रति किंबा पैसा धन ए सब प्रति जदि आमर बहुत मात्रा रे इच्छा बढ़ी जाए जेतेबेले कोनोसी व्यक्ति रो, that moment we call that person greedy. लोभी जहा को कहा जाए. Okay? Then gulmohar. Look at the picture of gulmohar. This is the picture of gulmohar. कृष्ण चूड़ा फूल समस्त निश्चित रूपे देखिथिबो ना. Okay. Then garland. Garland, wreath of flowers. Wreath हला बांधिबा. So जेतेबेले फूल सब को बंधा हुए, that becomes garland. फूल माला हे जाए. These are some beautiful garlands, looking so beautiful, right? Yeah. Refuse. Refuse means not granted. मना करिबा, deny, मना करिबा. Cheap. C-H-E-A-P. Cheap means poor quality. जार क्वालिटी नॉट इन अ गुड क्वालिटी, निकृष्ट मानर गुण जार भल नथिबो, that is cheap. Possess. Possess means own, अधिकार करिबा. Win. Win a thing is called possess. कोनोसी जिंस को अधिकार करिबा, that is possess. Snake charmer. You can see, we can call this person a snake charmer, right? सापुआ केला जो माने सापो को खेलांते एंटरटेनमेंट पई, लोकों को एंटरटेनमेंट पई से माने सापो खेलांते आ रोजगार मध्य करंती. That person is called snake charmer. Then graceful. ग्रेसफुल स्टाइलिश इन अपीयरेंस ग्रेसफुल गोटे जिनस हमको जब देखा भल लगे मनोहर मन को जोटा भल लगे सुंदर लगे दैट इज ग्रेसफुल बैंड बीई एंड बैंड बैंड मीन्स सेफ इनटू अ कर्व बंका हेबा कौन सी जिनस बंका हेबा को आमे कहबा वक्र करबा किबा बंका हेबा दैट इज बैंड इनविजिबल नॉट विजिबल अनेबल टू बी सीन देखा जाउ नथिबो अदृश्य जिनस जोटा दैट इज कॉल्ड इनविजिबल forbidden forbidden not allowed not granted मना करिबा coarse c o a r s coarse rough or harsh कर्कश जहार स्वर किंबा म्यूजिक हमको सुनबा पे भलो लागे नाही that music or that sound is called coarse then proceed go forward or move forward आगो को बढ़ी जिबा अग्रसर हबा this is proceed so next is roundabout roundabout this is a picture of a roundabout so this is a picture of a roundabout जते बेले हमें फेयर मेला बुलिबा पे जाओ we saw different types of swings there different types of झूला जहा हमें झूला को विभिन्न प्रकार दोली हमें देखिबा को पाइथौ so roundabout is a type of swing गोटे प्रकार झूला जहा को हमें कहि परिबा चक्र दोली and whirling motion look at this picture the people are on the roundabout and they are in a whirling motion गोल है कि घूर्णन गति गोल है कि से माने बुलु छंती घूर्णन गति shriek means to give a loud high shout जोर जोरे चित्कार करिबा नॉर्मली हमें जते बेले एपरी गोल बुलुतिबा झूला हला कि हमें जोटा कहूचे रामदोली सेतरे जते बेले बसी था हमें कोन करथाउ ना चित्कार करथाउ पार्टी करथाउ ओके सो shriek means high sound loud high sound जोरे चित्कार करिबा पार्टी करिबा then dizzy d i z z y dizzy means feeling as if everything is spinning around जेंति कि हमको लागिबो कि सब जिंस हमर चतुर्पार्श्व रे घुरी बुलुची मुंड बुलौची जते बेले हमें एई परी झूला रे बसी थाउ झूला रो ओलिला बेले हम मुंड चक्कर दिए समस्तंकर किछि ना किछि एक्सपीरियंस थिबो समस्त निश्चित रूपे जानिथिबे जे एई परी झूला रे बसी कि ओल्हिबा परे मुंडटा गोल गोल चक्कर देउथा किबा बसी थिबा समय रे मध्ये चक्कर देउथा मुंड बुलेई होथाय सो डियर चिल्ड्रन these are some difficult words okay and I hope you have written the word meaning तमे लिखिथिबो तापर देखिबा हमें टेक्स्ट को हमें बुझिबा जे टेक्स्ट कोन कहूची okay so let's understand the text better so the text started he went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped so as we know that the child now entered on the way to the fair and when he entered at first he saw some flower shop at first he saw some flower shop किछि फूल दुकान देखिछि where he saw heaped flowers गदा फूल से देखिबा को पाइछि and as they neared the village the child could see footpaths full of people then when they just entered the village जोठी के फेयर होची जो गां रे when they entered the village the child saw huge amount lots of people at the fair से बहुत लोग जनगहली को देखिबा को पाइछि and he felt at both repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering से जते बेले एते लोकन को देखिछि प्रथम थर से गोटे फेयर को आसीछि and when he saw so many people when he saw the crowd lots of people he became repelled से ଟିକେ डरी जाइछि first of all he became repelled किछि मात्रा से डरी जाइछि at the same times when he saw different types of stores different types of shops he was now fascinated ताको बहुत खुशी लागिछि जे एते रंग बिरंग दुकान एते रंग बिरंग जिंस एते लोक ए सब देखि कि ताको धीरे धीरे भलो लागिछि and now he was fascinated से आकर्षित होइछि कहा प्रति मेला प्रति जो फेयर को से जाइछि फेयर रे थिबा विभिन्न जिंस को देखि कि now the child was fascinated and he was little bit confused in which repelled and fascinated किछि डरी छे एवं ता मन रे किछि आग्रह अछि कहा को देखिके द न्यू वर्ल्ड मीन्स द फेयर से जेतेबेले मेला को जाइछि यात्रा को देखिछि फेयर देखिछि he now repaired and at the same time he was very fascinated. Then a sweet meat seller hugged gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance. So now they entered the fair, and when they entered at the entrance, okay, he saw that a sweet meat seller. Sweet meat in old English, the sweet is normally called sweet meat. पुरातन इंग्लिश से स्वीट को आज जोटा हमें स्वीट फूड मीठा कहूचे मीठा खाद्य को पुरातन इंग्लिश से स्वीट मीट कहा जाउथला. सो अ स्वीट मीट सेलर हग हला बुले बुले डाकिबा बड़ पाटरे डाकिबा. सो व्हेन ही एंटर्ड द फेयर ही सॉ a shop, sweet shop like this, where he saw different types of sweets, various delicious sweets, and a sweet meat seller or sweet seller hugged डाकुची कौन कहूची गुलाब जामुन रसगुल्ला बर्फी जलेबी से तर बड़ बड़ पाटे तर विभिन्न दुकान जो जो मीठा अच्छी मीठार ना सब को लेके से डाकुची टू अट्रैक्ट द पीपल. ओके, at the corner of the entrance the child stayed open eyed and his mouth watered for the barfi that was his favorite sweet. Now the child, when the child heard this name of the sweets, and when he saw such delicious sweets, okay, his mouth became watered. इतने सुंदर सुंदर मीठा देखी कि ता पाटिरो पानी बाहरिबा स्टार्ट हो जाइछि. and specially his favorite sweet is barfi. so जेतेबेले बर्फी सुनिछि आ बर्फी को देखि रहिछि मीठा दुकान दे his mouth water ता पाटिरो लाळ बाहरिबा स्टार्ट होइछि. then what happened? I want that barfi. He slowly murmured. He murmured slowly. murmured गुणु गुणु हे कहबा slowly murmured आहुरी धीरे कहिछि. ओके, आहुरी धीरे कोन कहिछि I want that barfi. जेतेबेले भी छोटे छुआ माने मेला जानते से माने निज बापा मां को पेरेंट्स को विभिन्न प्रकार जिनस किनबा पय अनुरोध करंती. राइट. सो हियर द चाइल्ड मर्मर्ड से बड़ पाटी रे कहि नै स्लोली मर्मर्ड अगेन स्लोली बहुत धीरे भाबरे गुणु गुणु हे कि कहिछि I want that barfi. से कोन पय गुणु गुणु हे कि कहितबो बड़ पाटी रे काई कहि नथिबो. as we know in the first part that his father is a tyrant person. tyrant ठीक है निष्ठुर क्रूएल व्यक्ति जे कि साधारणतः ताको टॉय भी किनी देई नथिले आ ताको कहिथिले कि माने ताको लाल आखि देखैथिले डरैथिले ता पय टॉय किनी देई नथिले. तो सेही डरटा छुआर मन भितरे अछि. एंड नाउ ही जस्ट स्लोली मर्मर्ड गुणु गुणु हे कहिछि I want that barfi. But he half knew as he begged that his appeal would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. But somehow or somewhere the little boy knew that his request wouldn't be granted. जानी छे जे से जो रिक्वेस्ट करूछि बर्फी पाए ता बापा किंबा ता जो पेरेंट्स मदर एंड फादर ताको केबे भी ग्रांट करबे नाही किनी देबे नाही. ओके, एंड व्हाट एक्सक्यूज दे विल गिव? They will give that the child was a greedy. से कहबे तो मेला को आसु आसु मिठा देखि देखु तो एते लोभ होला तो लोभी हे गलो मिठा किनबा पय कहूछु. एई परि से एक्सक्यूजेस देबे. His parents will give such type of excuses and they wouldn't buy a sweet for the child. Okay, पिलाटी सियोर अछि जे ता बापा किंबा तो पेरेंट्स बाप मदर फादर अछंते ता पय से माने बर्फी किनि देबे नाही. कोन कहिबे that he was greedy. तो गुटे लोभी ताको कहिबे आ ता पय बर्फी किंबा कोनोसी मिठा किनि देबे नाही. So without waiting for an answer he moved on. So as he knew that his father wouldn't buy the barfi for him, so the child didn't wait for the answer. तो कोनोसी उत्तर ता बापा हां कहउछंती कि ना कहउछंती से उत्तर को अपेक्षा न करे he just moved on. he go forward आगो को बढ़ी चलीछि. Then what happened? A flower seller hugged a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child murmured, I want that garland. So now when the child moved from the sweet shop, मीठा दुकान रे आगो को बढ़ी जाइछि. आगो को बढ़ी गला पर से कोन देखिछि? He saw the beautiful flower shop. Okay, where he saw different types of flowers, different types of garlands. Okay, and the flower seller calling, what he calling, that a flower, a garland of gulmohar, फुलमाला, कृष्णचूड़ा फुलमाला देखैके से कहूची बिक्री करूची डाकुची, what that a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar से पार्टी करूची. And the child murmured, again the child here murmured, पुणी से गुणु गुणु है कि कहिची, काना से जिंस को देखिची तपर से गुणु गुणु है कि कहिची, कौन कहूची, I want that garland. Like in the streets of, again the child murmured that I want that garland, मते ए garland के ए कृष्णचूड़ा फुलर मालाटी मते दरकार. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. But the child knew that his parents wouldn't buy the garland for him. पिलाटी जानिथि जे ता बापा ता पेरेंट्स पिलाटी पई ता पई फुलो माला किनि देबे नाही. कोन एक्सक्यूजेस देबे, that they were cheap. They means flowers. The flowers are very cheap. The flowers are not in good quality. Okay, they are very cheap. So they wouldn't buy the flower garland for the child. पिलाटी पाई समाने फुलो माला किने देबे नाही. Okay, so without waiting for an answer, he moved on. Then what did the child do? He, without waiting, he didn't wait the answer for his parents, from his parents, and he moved forward. He go ahead. आगे को से बढ़ी जाइए. Then what he saw? Let's see. Okay, a man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons flying from it. Then he saw a man. Look at the picture. Here is a man. Here is a man. And the man is holding a stick, and in that stick we can see different colors balloons. Beautiful balloons are there, right? So when he saw the pole with yellow, red, purple, green balloons, the child was fascinated. The child was attracted, okay, by the balloons. So seeing the colorful pole, the child desires to possess them all. So by seeing this such type of balloons, now the child wanted, desire, wanted, इच्छा करिछि, wanted to possess, सबु मते मिली जानता कि, सबु को मु पाई जानते कि, तारो एई आशा, तार इच्छा हेछि. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. But the child knew that his parents wouldn't buy balloons for him. And what excuses they will give? They will give that he was too old to play with such toys. से कौन कहबे? तू एबे बड़ हे गलुनी, तोर बेलून खेलिबा बयस वर्तमान नाही, तू वर्तमान बड़ हे गलुनी, तेनु तो पई बेलून रो कोनोसी आवश्यकता नाही. एही परे उत्तर देकी कौन करिवे ना ता पेरेंट्स ता पई बेलून किनि देबे नाही. The child thought like this. एही परे भाबरे पिलाटी भाबिछि. And here this time he didn't murmur, he didn't say anything. At the sweet seller, the child murmured. At the flower shop, the child murmured. दुई जगह से कहिछि, गुणु गुणु हेकि कहिछि. But this time he didn't occur, he didn't speak anything. किछि भी आउ कहि नाही, से केवल मनरे भाबिछि. And so he walked further. Then he walked further. आगो को पुणी बढ़ी जाइछि. Then what he saw, तापरे से कौन देखिछि देखो, a snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket, its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears. Then a snake charmer, when he proceeded, when he moved on from the balloon seller, balloon पाखरु, balloon बिकाली पाखरु से आगो को बढ़ी जाइछि, जेतेबेले से आगो को जाइछि, he saw a snake charmer who was playing a flute. He saw a snake charmer who was playing a flute, से गोटे बंसी बजाउछि. And when the music played, music ते जेतेबेले बाजिछि, itself we can see a snake here which is coiled. Coiled है round round गोल गोल है कि रहिबा, coiled in the basket, basket रे गोल गोल है कि थाए. And when the snake listened the म्यूजिक ऑफ द फ्लूट जेतेबेले ता कानर इनविजिबल इयर अदृश्य मान सापर आखि आमे सॉरी सापर कान आमे देखि पारि न थाउ देखा जाय कि ना तो इनविजिबल इयर तार अदृश्य कानरे जेतेबेले म्यूजिक फ्लूट रो म्यूजिक शब्द पड़िछि व्हाट ही डिड ही इट्स हेड राइज इन अ ग्रेसफुल बैंड सापटी कौन करछि ता मुंड को उठेछि बंका करिके उठेछि एंड इट इज कंपेयर्ड with the neck of a swan. It is compared with the neck of a swan. हंस पक्षीर हंसर बेक जेंति सुंदर ग्रेसफुल वेरी अट्रैक्टिव बहुत सुंदर देखा जाए ठीक से परी सापटी जेते बेले म्यूजिक सुनी ता मुंड को बंका करके उठेछि at that moment the head of the snake is looks like the neck of the swan. swan पक्षीर हंसर बेक परी सुंदर देखा जाउछि ग्रेसफुल देखा जाउछि बहुत सुंदर देखा जाउछि ओके बट नोइंग ओके हियर the child went towards the snake charmer. Here he was attracted by the music of the flute played by the snake charmer and he moved towards the snake charmer. Snake charmer पाखको टिके से जाइछि but suddenly he recalled something. What he recalled? But knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. But suddenly he recalled that his parents had forbidden not granted, मना करछंती कौन मना करछंती ना एई परी कोर्स साउंड कर्कश स्वर ओके कर्कश म्यूजिक एंती सुनिबा पई ता बापा माता को आगरु मना कर देछंती सो व्हेन ही रिकॉल्ड दैट जेतेबेले तार से जिंसटा मने पड़िछि नै मो बापा मा मते मना करछंती मो पेरेंट्स मते मना करछंती जदि मो एठी ठिया हे कि सुनिबी मो बापा मा मते गाली देबे सो बाय थिंकिंग दिस एई परी भावना ता माइंड रे आसीछि एंड व्हाट ही डिड विदाउट waiting there or without seeing the snake or the snake charmer the child proceed further तापरे से पुणी आगो को बढ़ी जाइछि तापरे कोन देखिछि से when he proceed further again he saw there was a roundabout in full swing okay there was a roundabout in full swing roundabout this is a picture of a roundabout गोल गोल बुलुथिबा दोली स्विंग हला दोली गोल गोल बुलुथिबा दोली हला राउंड बाउट so that is in full swing men women and children carried away in a whirling motion shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter and what he saw in that place he saw that men women and children different peoples पुरुष महिला छोटे छोटे छुआ माने they are carried in the whirling motion माने समस्त कौन करछन्ते एपरी राउंड बाउट रे बसिछन्ते आ गोल 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 बुलुछन्ते at the same time they shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter माने चित्कार करछन्ते कोन पई ना तांको माइंड गोल गोल बुलिबा द्वारा मुंड बुलोछि and they shriek चित्कार करछन्ते पार्टी करछन्ते हसुछन्ते से एई सब जिंस देखिछि इन द राउंड बाउट पाखरे जेतेबेले से पहुंचीछि ए सब जिंस देखिछि सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन राउंड बाउट रे पहुंचिला परे ता सहित कोन हैला आज द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड छुआटी हजी जाइछि लॉस्ट चाइल्ड जना पड़छि छुआटी चैप्टर रे कोनोसी जगह रे हजी जाइछि किंतु एबे पर्यंत हमें देखिले द चाइल्ड इज in the fair रे अछि से विभिन्न जिंस देखिछि and he knew that his father wouldn't buy anything for him so without saying anything or without requesting to the father anything he moved different places right so this is all in your second part of the story and in second part we knew that the child the family who were on the way to fair जो माने कि मेला जाउछंती and मेला रे से माने एंट्री करछंती at the entrance the child saw a sweet shop then he saw what he saw then he saw what he saw then garland flower shop right and after that he saw balloons then snake charmer then roundabout ए सब जगह जाइछि आ किछि जगह रे से मरमर करिछि गुणगुण हे कि कहिछि आ किछि जगह रे से केवल देखिछि आ पळे आसीछि because he knew that his parents wouldn't buy anything for the child in the fair. Se janichi ta bapa ma ta pai kini debe nai, but when he reached the roundabout and when he saw different many people, men, women, children, जेतबे समस्त बसी की खेलुछंती पार्टी करूछंती से सब जिंस देखि के से बहुत अट्रैक्टेड हेछि. तो एते पहुंचला परे राउंड अबाउट रे whether he will request to his parents or without saying anything he will also moved on, we will know in the third part of the story. Okay, so this is all about second part of the story, and I think you the children are able to understand the text. So let's do some activity. Okay, भाबुची तमन चैप्टर टी सेकंड पार्ट टी बुझी पारिथिबा कोठी कोन हेछि आ वर्तमान आमे किछि एक्टिविटीज करिबा. The activity is mainly based on MCQs, multiple choice question MCQ ऊपर अछि. As you know that from this chapter, from the Lost Child, this chapter you will definitely get 4 to 5 MCQs in your upcoming examination essay 1. essay 1 आगो कुथिबा एग्जाम रे तुमे निश्चित रूपे द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड चैप्टर रो 4 रु 5 मार्क रो MCQ पाइबो. As it is a non-detailed text, only the MCQs you will find in the examination. Non-detailed text to केवल MCQ आसे, grammar portion आसे नहीं. So we will do some MCQs. Okay. So dear children, what is the instruction? For each question, select the correct alternative from 4 given alternatives to answer the question. प्रति question रे 4टी alternative अछि and you have to find out the correct option. Correct option बाछिबो आ उत्तर हमें बाहर करिबा. Okay. So the first question, the child's favorite sweet was dash. The child's favorite sweet was this: Rasgulla, Barfi, Jalebi, Gulab Jamun. A, B, C, D. Which option is correct?
Option
Who can
B,
answer?
Barfi.
Option B. Very good. Very right. Yes, it is Barfi.
Thank you, teacher.
It's Barfi. Okay, sit down. Come to the second one. The child half knew that his plea for Barfi wouldn't be heeded because option A says his parents could not afford it. His parents disapproved of it. His parents would say he was greedy. His parents would say they were cheap. Which option is the correct one? Who can answer? Raise your hand.
Option C.
Option C. His parents would say he was greedy. Yes, very good. Good. It's C. Sit down. Come to third one. What was the flower hawker calling? What was the flower hawker calling? Option A, a garland of lily, a garland of marigolds, a garland of gulmohar, none of these. Which option is the correct one? Viramitrapur?
Option C.
Option C. Yeah, good. A garland of gulmohar. Very good. Then question number 4. Who else was with the boy when he was going to the fair? Options are his mother, his father, his grandmother, his parents. Which option is correct one? Which is the correct option? Yes, anyone can answer? Who else was with the boy? Boy सहित आउ को माने थिले जते बेले पिलाटी फेयर जाउथला?
D, his
Which
parents.
option? His parents. Excellent, very good. Yes, it's his parents. Number 5. What excuse did the child think his parents should give if he had requested them to buy him flowers? Options are: the flowers were too expensive, the child is too greedy, the flowers were cheap, the flowers were cost. Which is the correct option? St. Mary Girls High School?
The flowers were cheap. C. Option C.
Option C. Yes, very good. It's the flowers were cheap. Okay. Come to the next one, number 6. What would the child parents say if he had requested to buy him balloons? Okay. So the options are balloons were expensive. Option B, he is a greedy child. C, balloons were too cheap. And D, he was too old to play with. Which option is the correct one?
Option D. Option D. He was too go. Option D.
Too old to play with. Yes, good. It's option D. He was too old to play with. Then, question number 7. Who was playing the flute at the village fair? The options are a snake charmer, a flute seller, a group of musicians, none of the above. Which is the correct one? Sampakala? Okay, anyone?
Option C.
Option C. Yeah, it's a flute seller. A, a snake charmer. मेलारे किए flute बजाउथिला? A snake charmer. Okay? Option A is the correct one. Number 8. Its head raised in a graceful bend like a neck of a swan.
Hello.
Whose head is referred here? Okay, whose head is referred here? Option A, dog. B is swan. C, snake. And D, duck. Which is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Yes. Its head means the snake's head, right? Question number 9. Mention the kind of laughter of the people enjoying the roundabout in the story. So, options are delightful, B is loud, C is happy, and D is dizzy. Which is the correct one?
Option D.
Correct option. Option D. It's dizzy, right? Yeah. It's dizzy. Good, very good. Sit down. Next come to 10. Who all were carried away in the whirling motion of the roundabout swing in the story? Options are A, men, B, women, C, children, and D, all of the above. Which is the correct one? All of the above or all of them? Yes, good. It's option D. Very nice. Okay, then let's do some more questions. 11, question number 11. Seeing the colorful pole, the child desired to possess them all. Okay, them all. So here all indicates dash. Options are flowers, balloons, toys, sweets. Which is the right one? Which is the correct one? Yeah? Who can answer?
Balloon.
Who can answer? Possess them all. Very good. It's balloons. Good. Sit down. Okay. Question number 12. In the story, the graceful bend of the snake has been compared to dash. Options are the neck of a swan. Option B, the neck of a dog. Option C, the neck of a. Option B is the neck of a dog. C is neck of a dog. And all of the above. Which is the correct one? Yes, who can answer? Which option is the correct one? Sujan, the mic. Mic on karibo beta. Suna jauni.
Option A. The neck of a swan.
Very good. It's option A, the neck of a swan. Question number 13. According to the child parents, the flute music by the snake charmer was dash. Beautiful, soothing, coarse, cheerful. Which is the right one? Who can answer? The music of the snake charmer, played by the snake charmer. How was the music? A is beautiful. Option C, coarse. Very good. It's a C. Yeah, good. Question number 14. Name the things that the child saw on his way to the fair. Options are toys. B is sweets and garland. C, balloons. D, all of the above. Which option is the correct one? Yes? Who can answer?
All of the above.
All of the above. Yes, very good. It's all of the above. Question number 15. The child went towards the snake charmer, yet proceeded farther because dash. Options are he was afraid of the snake. B option, his parents called him. C option, his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music, and option D, none of these. Which one is the correct one? Navajyoti High School? Option C.
Option C.
Yes. Yes, very good. It's option C. His parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music. Yes. So dear children, you are really very good. बहुत बहुत भल भाव रे मैंने बहुत बढ़िया आंसर दिला, and I'm really very happy. At the same time, I want to share that try to more questions, try to solve more questions, practice more questions. Such type of questions will come to your examination, and try to do more and more questions. And for today, this much is for today, and thank you. Have a good day.